Chapter 4 Using the Computer. To know in this chapter, what is a taskbar? Control buttons of a program window. Restore down and maximize options. In the previous class, you studied how to safely turn on the computer. You also studied how to turn off the computer after finishing your work. Now tell us what comes on the screen after the computer is turned on. Yes, the desktop is the opening page of the computer. Opening a program. There is a bar at the bottom of the desktop screen. We call it the taskbar. Important details like the start button, date and time are present on the taskbar. By clicking on the start button, you can access the programs installed on the computer. It is located on the left side of the taskbar. Taskbar, Start button. Here you can search any program. Let's search for Paint and open it. Every program has a title bar. It shows the name of the program and is part of the program window. What is a program window? A program window is the box in which the program is shown on screen. Control buttons. On the right side of the title bar, we have the control buttons. These are 3 in number: minimize, restore down, close. The middle button becomes restore down or maximize. When the program window is smaller than the desktop, then the middle button becomes maximize. Like in this case. Desktop, maximize button, program window. When you click on maximize, the program screen becomes bigger. But when the program window is full size, then the middle button becomes restore down. By clicking this, you can make the program screen smaller in size. Clicking the minimize button will hide the Paint program from the screen. The desktop will appear on the monitor and Paint will hide in a small box on the taskbar. Remember taskbar? Clicking the close button will shut down the Paint program. Moving the program window. You can also move the program window from one part of the screen to other. It can be done when the program window is smaller than the desktop. Left click on the title bar and hold the button. Don't release it. Move the mouse a little. You will see that the program window is also moving. For example, if you move the mouse to the left and you see the program window is also moving to the left. When you release the left click, the program window will stop where it is. Now you have successfully moved the program window. This process is called drag and drop. You cannot move the program window when it is maximized. Revise with TUK. Desktop is the starting page of the computer. It contains icons, taskbar and the start menu. We press the start button to see all the programs stored on a computer. Paint program is used to draw pictures and color them. Title bar is present on top of the program window. It has 3 buttons on the right side called the control buttons. There are 3 control buttons: minimize, maximize or restore down and close. Minimize button will hide the program window from the screen. Maximize button will increase the size of the program window. Restore down button will decrease the size of the program window. Close button will close the program. Hold the left click on the title bar and drag it to drop the program window to a different place on the screen.